My name is Joseph P. Smith. I've been a criminal law attorney for over 30 years, and I have seen thousands upon thousands of assault and battery cases. Each one, in its infinite variety, presents different legal challenges. However, there's a common theme that runs through each and every one, and that is this. An assault and battery case is often an emotional circumstance, and there's very often physicality. There's violence, there's injury. Sometimes there are weapons, firearms, knives, sticks, bricks, whatever comes along. The officers who come out to the scene have to make a decision. Who's going to get arrested? Who's going to get to go home that night? You want to be one of those individuals that the officers decide to release at the scene. Whether or not they give you a citation and tell you have to come to court in 2 or 4 weeks, it does not matter. What you want to avoid is going to jail that night. One of the most important things to remember when a fight develops, you want to be the one who says, call the cops, somebody call the cops, because invariably one of the first questions the cops ask when they arrive at the scene of an assault or a fight is, who's the one who called the cops? And you want 2 or 3 people to point to you and say, she did, she's the one who said call the cops, because they'll talk first with you. Now, you run a risk in an assault and battery or fight type of situation because you may make a statement that later on will be used against you. So, if the evidence is clear that you were the one who was assaulted and you tell the officers what happened, that's all well and good. But what about the situation where maybe because of emotions or a reaction or something like that, you went a little too far? Or you were the one who escalated the situation. Maybe you had a bad day at work, maybe you've had problems in your personal relationship, but in any event, at some point, maybe you lost control. Now the table is set differently. You must tell the officer, I'd like to cooperate, but I need to speak to my attorney. And if you have to say it 10 times, say it one more time than that, just to carry the point home. Because if you don't, anything you say will be used against you. Tell the officer, I'd like to cooperate, but I need to speak to my attorney, and then call the law offices of Joseph P. Smith. We're here to help you.